So, saan ka galing? Marawi? Lahat sa mga...
Muslim.
Marami kaibigan ko galing sa Marawi din. So, sa Marawi, gusto ko magtanong, sa Marawi, di ba may asawa ka? Okay, sa Marawi, kung babae ka and gusto mo kasal sa lalaki but hindi siya Muslim, is it haram or hindi?
Haram.
I asked her if she met a guy that wasn't Muslim, okay, in Marawi, which is a city in the Philippines in the Muslim area down south, is it not allowed? And she goes, it's not allowed. A woman cannot marry somebody that's not Muslim, but a man can, and then eventually the woman will have to convert. I think that's kind of, sexist in my opinion.
Haram, so kahit in love kayo, hindi kaya. So, kung ganyan yung sitwasyon, ayaw mo magpalit yung religion mo sa Christianity kumpara sa Islam. Ayaw?
I asked her if she wanted to change her religion from Islam to Christianity, is it possible? And she says no, a woman can't do that, but an Islamic or Muslim woman can't do that. It's really complicated speaking to her in this Tagalog, because it's like the questions I've been asking, I haven't used this form of Tagalog before, so it's complicated for me.
Pero yung lalaki ng Muslim,
Sabi nila ganyan, kung lalaki sa Muslim,
kahit anong relihiyon ng babae pwede.
But mamaya, sa babae kailangan papalit and diretso sa Islam, di ba? Mamaya. Okay. So walang haram.
Basically, she said that a regular Christian woman could do that and marry a Muslim man, but eventually she will have to convert. But a Muslim woman cannot. It is not allowed for her to convert whatsoever.
Basta makasal sila, okay lang.
Miss, gusto mo mag-shout out sa negosyo mo? Ayaw mo? Nahiya? Okay, walang problema. So, anong pangalan mo?
Almayra Bungaros.
Almayra? Nice to meet you. Gusto mo eto, hawakan mo muna. Meron ako, alam mo ganito? QR code? Ha?
Oo, para saan yan?
Sa YouTube. YouTube ko. So,
ano
ganito
bang
sa
pangalan ng YouTube mo?
Buksan to. Diretso sa yung channel ko, okay? Okay, maraming salamat, ma'am.
So her name is Almira, Almira. She's from Marawi, and she's quite lovely. This is the type of girl that you guys would want and would love to be your wife. But the problem is her religion does not allow for another type of religion to marry her, because she cannot, you will have to convert to her